Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. I'm Smita Katti, and in today's video we're going to be crocheting. The half double crochet is in between the single crochet and the double crochet. It's very easy to make, and let's get started. So if you've been following along my playlist, Let's Learn to Crochet, I've already showed you how to make the single crochet and the double crochet stitch. In today's video, we're going to create a stitch that comes in between these two. It's called the half double crochet. So let's get started. So I have a skein of yarn here. This is the Loops and Threads Charisma yarn. So let's start by first creating a slip stitch. Insert a crochet hook into it. Now we want to create a swatch again of 7 stitches. For that, because this is a half double crochet, we're going to start with a chain 8. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now here's how we half double crochet. You want to yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Let me count with you again. 1, 2, this is the third. So you want to take your hook, insert it into this, pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. If you have learned how to double crochet, this is going to seem similar, right? In a double crochet, you will yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. For a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. So when you do it the first time, you might find it a little tricky. Try doing it slowly and you'll master it easily. So this is your first half double crochet. Let's repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops at once. Repeat. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop. So I'm going to show you like this. We have 1, 2, 3. You can see that, right? We have 1, 2, 3. We're going to yarn over. You don't have to turn your work like this. I'm just showing you this so that you can see what I'm doing. Yarn over, and you want to pull this. So I kind of rotate the hook so it comes like towards the side, and then I pull it through all 3 loops at once. Okay, yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, right? Okay, and I'm going to show you again. So you yarn over. Once you yarn over, I don't pull it this way. I kind of rotate the crochet hook to the side, and then I'm pulling it through all 3 at once. This works better if your crochet loops are a little loose. You don't want it to be super tight. You want to just keep it a little tiny bit loose. Yarn over into the next chain. Okay, where does it go? This is my next chain. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. We have 1 last chain left, so let's do that. Yarn over, insert into the last chain, pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, yes. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops at once. And that is how you make the half double crochet stitch. So this is row 1, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's our little 2 chain turning stitch. So we have 7 stitches. Let's continue. We're going to turn our work. Chain 2. This is called the turning chain. Chain 2. Yarn over. You want to skip the first half double crochet you see here. Insert a hook into the second stitch. You see it right over here. This is how it looks from the top. Insert, pull up a loop, pull through all 3 loops. See, even I find it difficult sometimes, so you just have to be patient. Okay, let me go zoom it in and let's work together. Yarn over, insert into the next half double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops at once. Yarn over, insert into the next half double crochet, pull up a loop, and if you're finding it difficult, yarn over, pull through just the first 2, but don't stop, and then pull through the last one individually. So that is your half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next half double crochet, pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. Sometimes it works faster, sometimes it might just get stuck. Doesn't matter, make sure you're pulling through all 3 loops slowly. Again, yarn over, and the last stitch, into the turning chain, top of the turning chain. We're going to the center of it, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that is our row 2. So let's count the row 1, row 2, and let's count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's repeat. Chain 2, yarn over, skip the first half double crochet, go into the next one, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, next, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over into the next one, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over into the next one, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, this is my last stitch here, pull through all 3 loops. So if you count here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't want to forget the turning chain, so we're going to yarn over, insert into the top of the turning chain. Because we're counting the turning chain as a half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches, 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. All right, let's turn around again and continue. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Oh, hang on, my yarn got a knot. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, insert into the final top of the turning chain, pull through 3 loops. So how many stitches do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the turning stitch 7. And you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows here. You're going to see a little bit of a gap. You can see that, right? Over here too, there's a gap. This is because we're creating we're counting the turning chain as a half double crochet, but you can see the other stitches are actually kind of bulkier. Chain 2, yarn over. So if you want to avoid making this little hole here, you would create a half double crochet into this stitch as well, and then you would not count this as anything. But I'm going to continue the way I've been teaching you. So skip the first one into the second one. The half double crochet is a little fatter switch compared to the double crochet because it's squished a little bit more, right? Because of that, it kind of creates a fatter switch, which is a little shorter. So the 2 chain might not work every time. Sometimes people will just do 1 chain as a turning chain. So just see what your pattern calls for or what looks natural for your tension of creating a crochet swatch, and you'll know what to do. So now this is row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, row number 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a turning chain, 7 stitches. All right. Turn again, row number 6, let's chain 2, and let me zoom out a little bit so you can see better. Yarn over, I'm skipping the first stitch, going to the second stitch, and half double crochet, yarn over, create the next double crochet, yarn over, next, yarn over, next one, yarn over, the next one, and yarn over, and you can see over here at the top of that the turning chain, I created another one. There we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches. Okay, so now let's compare this to what we created with the single and double crochets. So this single crochet swatch is about the same size. We created 9 rows of single crochet compared to our 6 rows of half double crochet. This is our double crochet, which we created only 5 rows of. You can see it's a little taller actually. Cut, pull our yarn through, tighten, and that is our half double crochet swatch. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, friends, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to do the treble stitch, so stay tuned. In the meanwhile, make sure to check out all of my other crochet tutorials on my blog, smilingcolors.com. I have a lot of free patterns that you can enjoy, and I hope you have some time to crochet today. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!